Welcome to the project demonstration of line following robots by using Arduino UNO. So the main purpose of this project is to follow the black line on the white surface. So why black line, white surface? Nothing but we are using IR sensors to detect the line which is a black and white to differentiate these two surfaces. So we are using the IR sensors. IR rays will reflect for the white surface and it will absorb by this black surface, so that the IR sensor will provide us the digital output like 0 and 1. So whenever the white surface detected, it will provide us the 1 signal, and when the black surface detected, it will reflect the value of 0. So based on this differentiation from the respective sensors, left sensor and right sensors, the system will control the DC motors for the left and right side. Means whenever the system was there like this, means it is on the line, so then the system will move forward direction, and if it is there like this one, then the left sensor is providing the signal to the UNO board, then the system will drive the robots toward the left side. If it is the right side sensor detected, it will push the left motor and right motor backward, so that it will go into the right direction. So like that the IRS will inform to the microcontroller about this line detection, and the system will control the 4 DC motors through this L298 motor driver. So in this one, 2 DC motors are in parallel and these 2 DC motors are in parallel, so that only left and right direction will be defined for the movement purpose. So the whole system getting power supply from this lithium ion batteries. So these two are in series, so we'll get 7.4 volts output from this battery pack, right? So when we switch on this, the 7.4 volts is input to the L298 driver board. So the 7.4 volts is input to this battery pack, but the operating voltage of our UNO board is 5 volts. So on this one, there we can see the 705 regulator, which will take 7.2 volts, 7.4 volts inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC outputs. That is the main operating voltage of our Arduino UNO board. Place the kit like this in the manner, and you can switch on this. So whenever the black line detected, fully black line, then automatically the vehicle will stop its movement. So you can see that now. Right, so whenever the black detects